Alrighty, now that I've got my sugar cookie dough into my pan here, I am just gonna press this down to make it into one solid cookie. Alrighty, now that I've got my cookies pressed together, I'm just using some dark chocolate chips in here. Look how big these beautiful morsels are. And now we're gonna cover it with some mini marshmallows. Y'all, I had never seen these before, but they are so delicious and amazing looking. They're called hen bars. And I'm gonna move that out of the way for a second. I've got about 5 egg whites in here. And I'm just gonna whip these up until they get nice and frothy. All right, now that we've got some nice peaks formed in here, I'm just coming in with my light brown sugar. I've got about 1/2 cup. And I am just gonna gently fold this in with our meringues. It's gonna give them a really delicious flavor and texture. And this is gonna be so good on those hen bars. Perfect for a hen party. Alrighty, now that we've got this all mixed together, I'm just bringing back in my base here of my sugar cookies and my mini marshmallows and my chocolate chips, dark chocolate, thank you very much. And I am just going to spread this beautiful brown sugar meringue all on top. Yes, ooh, look at how good this looks. Oh my gosh, this is gonna bake up and give the best texture to these hen bars. Alrighty, we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alrighty, so I ended up baking this a little longer than I was originally thinking. We've got those chocolate chips in there, our cookies at the bottom. I'm gonna get in here and get a piece. Now I will say, y'all, I think I used too many egg whites in my meringue because it didn't set up like when I did my lemon meringue pie. It has a little different texture than that. So it didn't quite fully harden. But we've also got these marshmallows in here. Ooh, and our delicious little cookie on the bottom. That just looks so scrumptious. All right, let me get in here and take a bite. Marshmallows, chocolate chips, cookie, meringue on top. Well, one thing for sure. It's delicious. You gotta try it.